Welcome to the online news desk of the Insurance Times. The Insurance Times is the first monthly journal on insurance in India being published regularly since 1981. We are celebrating 4 decades of publication in the year 2020. The journal is published both in hard copy and online edition. Here are some highlights of some important news. Muthoot Finance launches jewelry insurance in partnership with Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Muthoot Finance has partnered Bajaj Allianz General Insurance to provide insurance on gold jewelry. The new product known as Muthoot Gold Shield is the gold jewelry insurance scheme launched by Muthoot Finance for its customers. The policy provides insurance coverage for gold jewelry of individual customers. This product is exclusively designed to provide insurance coverage of gold jewelry articles for customers of the company at the time of closure of the gold loan and release of gold ornaments. It is offered as a loyalty product. This policy covers burglary, robbery, theft from insured person's home, loss in transit, and 13 other disasters, including natural calamities. No documentation is required for this policy and it can be generated in less than 2 minutes. %50 claims out of Rs 8,000 crore COVID claims filed so far have been settled. Insurance companies have settled less than 50% of the claims of nearly Rs 8,000 crore raised so far by COVID-19 patients. Around 5.18 lakh insurance claims worth Rs 7,973 crores have been filed till November 3, of which 3.97 lakh or 77% have been settled. The amount settled, however, is only Rs 3,436 crore or 43% of the claim. Around 1.21 lakh claims worth Rs 4,538 crores are pending clearance and 1,337 claims have been so far rejected. Difference in claims made and those settled is due to the time lag between reporting of the claim and submission of final bills. M.N. Sharma, Secretary General of the General Insurance Council, told. Bengal government announces Rs 5 lakh cashless health insurance for all residents. West Bengal Chief Minister extended the benefits of the state health insurance program Swasthya Sathi, which offers cashless treatment benefits up to Rs 5 lakh in private hospitals per family to all the residents of the state. All Bengali families will now be able to avail this benefit. Anyone who does not have a health insurance can avail it. Treatment in our government hospitals is free in any case. This card will come in handy in about 1,500 enlisted private health facilities. Ayushman Bharat would have covered only 1.5 crore people. For Ayushman Bharat, the card holder too would have required to contribute. Here, the card holder does not need to contribute, the CM said, adding that the scheme will altogether cost the state exchequer Rs 2,000 crores. We shall be back after a short commercial break. Please stay tuned. The Insurance Times, which has entered into glorious 40th year of successful and regular publication in 2020, is the only authentic information source on insurance in India. This journal or magazine covers every month informative articles and features on general insurance, health insurance, personal and life insurance, etc. Regular columns for insurance brokers, legal case laws, ombudsman judgment, insurance surveyor, insurance advisors and agents, and students. Latest and updated news of the Indian as well as the overseas insurance industry. Regular features on risk management and safety. Complete information monthly about insurance under one umbrella. Must for all persons connected with insurance companies, corporate bodies, brokers, banks, surveyors, agents, consultants, students, educational institutions, and professionals. In fact, we issue it every month, so this journal will be very helpful to you to get updates on the insurance industry happening all over India. Journal available in both hard copy and online edition. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe us today. Welcome back after the break. Ministry floats request for proposal to appoint actuarial firm for LIC's IPO. Central government has floated a request for proposal to appoint an actuarial firm to calculate the embedded value of the life insurance behemoth. In view of the recent announcement by the Government of India in the budget 2020 to 21, LIC needs to develop an Indian embedded value reporting framework and calculate IEV of LIC for the necessary disclosures for the proposed IPO of LIC, said the RFP issued by the Department of Investment and Public Asset Management. It has accordingly sought bids from firms to work with the life insurer to develop IEV in line with the requirements of the relevant acts and regulations and to provide support during the IPO process. Insurance startup Plum raises $4 million. Sequoia Capital India backed insurance startup Plum has raised $4.1 million in a bid to provide group health insurance to small and medium enterprises. The recent round of funding for the startup, which was launched in March this year, is led by the Sequoia Capital India and Tanglin Venture Partners. Existing investors, including Incubate Fund, also participated in the funding round. The insurer said that the amount raised would be used to expand in new markets, build distribution channels, hire talent, and develop products. No income tax on life insurance policies of 10 or more years, ICAI recommends central government. In its pre-budget memoranda 2021, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has recommended the Union government to make all life insurance policies with a policy term of 10 years or more exempt from tax. The Institute has suggested that the tax exemption on life insurance policies should now be provided based on the policy term and not the premium to sum insured ratio, which is being currently done. To provide relief to such policyholders, the ICAI has suggested the government that the tax exemption should not be linked based on premium to sum assured ratio. Instead, all LIPs with policy term of 10 years or more should be exempt, ICAI said. ICAI added that tax exemption based on policy term will help in medium to long-term investments. This was all from the Online Insurance Times news desk. We will be back with latest news in insurance industry in our next edition. Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications for the next video. Stay connected.